Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by syncing Blender to sheep it. Open the blend and pack textures or set relative paths so assets transfer cleanly. This prevents missing maps on remote nodes. Once done, create and verify your Sheepit account. Log in so you can submit jobs and manage credits. Make sure your scene uses a stable render engine version compatible with Sheepit. Export or prepare a single packaged blend. This step ensures every collaborator node receives identical files and reduces render errors. Now you configure the job for distributed rendering. In Blender, define frame range, render settings, and output paths. Choose chunk size that balances upload time versus node overhead. Once configured, compress the blend and assets into one archive and upload through the Sheepit web interface or their API client so every node gets the same package. Then set priority and tags to control queue placement. After submission, watch the first chunk render to catch missing textures or incompatible nodes early. Fix and reupload if needed. Finish by managing outputs and addressing problems. As chunks complete, download and assemble frames into your final sequence, ensuring color space and render passes match your comp settings. If chunks fail or timeout, resubmit only those chunks and consider reducing chunk size or lowering samples to avoid node limits. This speeds throughput. Make local test renders of problematic frames so you can reproduce errors, log node messages, and, if persistent, re-export assets or contact Sheepit support for incompatible plugin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.